Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $3 online. And before we dive in, if you are ready for financial freedom right now, I want you to comment freedom below in the comments. And make sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that little bell to get notified on when I post new videos. And don't forget to like and share this video. And if you are really serious about becoming financially free sooner than later, click the link below this video in the description and I can help you do that. Okay, so let's dive in and talk about how you can earn $3 online. And this is using a really popular website. It's called Swagbucks. And all you need to do is use my referral link, which I'll post below this video. And once you earn $3 worth of Swagbucks, you'll get a bonus $3 by using my referral link below. And I'm going to show you a little tutorial, but I'll just give you an overview real quick of Swagbucks. So you just sign up for a free account on their website. They also have an app you can use, so you can download it onto your phone if you'd rather do that. But you just sign up, you confirm your email, and you can start earning by either taking surveys on their website or by doing your normal shopping online. And you can sign up for different offers that they have. So there's just a variety of ways that you can earn points, and these points are equivalent to dollar amounts, and then you can redeem them for either gift cards, and sometimes they have their gift cards on sale, so you wouldn't have to have as many points to get certain gift card amounts. Or you can get PayPal. So they'll send you cash through PayPal if you don't want to use the gift cards. So let me give you a little tutorial on the website. Okay, so once you have clicked on the link below and signed up for an account with Swagbucks, this is what it will look like. This will be your home page. So you can see right at the top here, you can answer surveys and earn points. They tell you how many Swagbucks you can earn for taking certain surveys. So you can take this 3-minute survey, earn 5 Swagbucks. Take this 20-minute survey, earn 60 Swagbucks. And then they have most popular ways to earn. So there's coupons, free products, recipes. So you could sign up for Pillsbury and earn 40 Swagbucks. And there's just, all of these different things. And some of them do cost money. So make sure, you actually want to be spending that money. Or do a different item. So for example, Hulu, you can sign up for that, and that starts at $5.99 a month. But once you do sign up, you earn $2,500 in Swagbucks, or 2,500 Swagbucks, which equals $25. So you can kind of just, look in here and see what's available. And if you want to link your credit card to your account, you can do some online shopping and get cash back. So that's really easy if you're already planning on buying something at Amazon or Walmart. You can just link your credit card, and you can find that over to the side, your account, and just link your credit card. And once you come to Swagbucks, you would click on the Amazon image here and just shop, buy whatever you want, and then you would earn up to 10% cash back. And they work with a whole bunch of different stores. So, Kohl's, Target, Best Buy, Walmart, Amazon, Lowe's, a whole bunch of popular ones. So there's, shopping that you can do, the surveys, you can sign up for free things or paid things. So there's lots of different ways to earn points. And you can also earn points just by searching the web. So if you are, logged into your Swagbucks account and you want to do some web surfing, you can earn Swagbucks that way. And if you also want to refer people, you can earn Swagbucks that way. And it says right here, when you refer your friends to Swagbucks, when they earn 300 Swagbucks, you both get a $300 or 300 Swagbuck bonus, which is $3. And you also get 10% of their earnings for life. So that means if your friend earns 500 Swagbucks, you'll be getting 50 Swagbucks. So 10% of 500, and that's for life. So if you have a lot of people that are going to be signing up under you, you could earn a lot of Swagbucks that way, and that's something that's really easy because you're not doing any of the work. So there's lots of options to earn with Swagbucks. 100 Swagbucks is worth $1, so just remember that. And they also have gift cards. We can go back home. So they have gift cards you can redeem. You just click over here under gift cards. Right here you can see, so featured gift cards, there's Old Navy, Lowe's, or you can even do a Visa gift card. So if there's, some store that you want to buy something at that's not on Swagbucks, you can always do a Visa gift card, and sometimes they are on sale, so this is 1% off, so you're getting a little bit more money for less Swagbucks, which is nice. And they also have Amazon, so if you just want to do a $3 Amazon gift card, they have that option, so you don't have to get thousands and thousands of Swagbucks to cash out. You can get 300 and get $3 to Amazon. And there's also other ones, Dunkin' Donuts, eBay. So plenty of options for you to get paid and plenty of options to earn Swagbucks. So this is just a really easy way to at least earn that initial $3, and you can continue to earn more and more. All right, hopefully that was helpful and that gave you a little more of an explanation on how Swagbucks works and how you can make at least $3 on Swagbucks. And if you guys liked this video, please like it and share it with someone who would want this information. And you guys, if you are serious about becoming financially free and you don't always want to be online taking surveys or trading time for dollars, make sure and click the link below this video in the description, and I can show you exactly how to become financially free at a young age. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.